Millions of expired makeup products are discarded every year. Cosmetic waste arrives for processing.
Even luxury cosmetics eventually expire.
The recycling journey begins.
Cosmetic products have limited shelf lives. Collected beauty waste is prepared for transport.
Unsold inventory also becomes cosmetic waste.
Materials are separated carefully.
Plastic-heavy mascara packaging is recycled separately.
Automated sorting begins.
Pigments are refined for reuse.
Wax-based makeup products are collected.
Wax is prepared for melting. Glass packaging is repurposed separately.
Packaging materials are cleaned. Wax-based products are collected separately.
Plastic components are recycled individually. Wax products are resized for faster melting.
Packaging materials are cleaned. Liquid residue is removed before recycling. Metal components are extracted.
Pigment-rich powders hold recycling potential. Impurities are removed.
Recovered pigments are highly concentrated.
Powder cosmetics are consolidated. Liquid cosmetics require separate processing.
Impurities are removed.
Residual cosmetic product is recovered. Pigments are organized by shade. The first product is art pigment powder. Lipsticks become new wax products.
Purification improves quality.
Safety and consistency are essential. Recovered pigments create unique designs.
Custom shades are created.
Additional wax products are made.
Safety and consistency are essential.
Wax products receive fragrance. Art products are finalized. Recovered pigments reveal new potential.
The wax is now reusable.
One wax product is decorative candles. Candle production begins. Wax blocks are created.
The wax hardens.
Cooling solidifies the candle. Additional wax products are formed.
The wax hardens.
Recovered pigments are color tested. Pigments are ready for distribution. Quality is checked. Additional wax products are formed.
Finished wax products are packaged.
Distribution logistics begin.
Wax products await shipment.
Pigments are shipped.
Wax products leave the facility.
Old cosmetics become wax products. Recycled pigments reach new markets. Waste becomes creativity. Cosmetic waste becomes creative material. Cosmetic waste becomes home decor. Waste becomes atmosphere. A second life for discarded cosmetics.
From beauty waste to useful products.
Microscopic particles become art material.
Pigments can be used in art materials.
Waste becomes luxury decor. Beauty waste inspires creativity. Old cosmetics become premium products.
Pigments are reborn. Waste becomes warmth.
Subscribe for more hidden recycling factories and industrial transformations.